Hey, this is Jason Moss of Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. I want to give you a quick update. So we've got some really cool stuff coming up throughout the entire month of October. We're going to kick it off with October 5th. I'll be doing a keynote speech during lunch at the Best Practices Expo at the Cobb Galleria. That's a 3-day show. I got a few things going on the evening of the 4th. Full day, 5th and 6th for the conference and expo. I'd really encourage anybody that's got a manufacturing facility to be in attendance or send somebody from their crew, because you'll really learn how to reduce your energy cost and learn best practices from people from all over the country. So that's a great event. You do get a discount as a GMA member, friends and family, if you use discount code GMA VIP, and that'll give you 50% off admission for both the expo and the conference side of it. So huge savings there. On October the 11th, I'm really excited about having my buddy Bo Groover is going to be doing an educational session for lessons in leadership. And at that session, we're also going to be, that'll be the launch of his book as well, How to Build a Kick-Ass Culture. Really cool book and some great leadership training. And this can be anybody from, somebody that's just getting into the leadership in manufacturing to seasoned professionals. And I guarantee that you'll walk away with some actionable items for you to be more successful as a leader in manufacturing in Georgia. We do have our regular networking events. October 21st, Gwinnett Networking in the morning, and then networking luncheon at Cobb from 11:30 to 1. And then we do have Advanced Control Solutions. I got to do a pre-tour with a group of folks, and it is a fantastic tour. You guys are going to love to see the robotics and automation that are available. And that is in Marietta on October the 26th. So we know that everybody's facing some challenges with workforce. And this is an easy, simple way. This is where we're going to have to go in the manufacturing industry to be able to maintain our production levels, is through automation. And these guys know what they're doing. So I'd encourage you to make plans to attend that as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call here at the office at 770-338-0051. I look forward to seeing you at upcoming events. See you there.